What's going on here?
Wrestling? I'm not moving.
You're not wrestling. John's just pushing on you and grinding.
He's trying to
Get you off the sofa?
He's not even moving. He's trying to push me off.
Yo.
Oh, come on! Rude Boys says no, rude boys don't push.
Jonah, do you want some advice?
What?
He's using his lower body, which has more strength than the upper body. So maybe you should put your legs into it.
Okay.
What?
Mm-hmm.
Ow!
Now he's trying to sit on your legs so you can't do it.
Come on! This sucks!
Okay, Jonah. Just put that leg behind his armpit.
Dang.
Just wrap your legs around him. Oh no, somebody's gonna get hurt.
Yeah. Jonah. I'm not moving. I'm not moving. I'm grabbing. I need to go to my face. Okay, sorry.
Oh. Oh, see, the chill advice worked.
Oh,
Were you just seeing if your nose was bleeding?
No, yeah.